Okay, today is January 6th, 2023. So it's in the morning, about 8:30. It's a gorgeous, beautiful day, about 70 degree. And we have a breakfast at our Odiyana Project site. So Mr. Nawalama, who is head of our Odiyana Project, he actually personally made breakfast for us, so we enjoy breakfast with him and also have a conversation. So it's a wonderful breakfast. It's eggs, steamed bread, and Tibetan tea, Tibetan salt tea actually. It's very butter tea, very delicious. Thank you, Nola. Well done. Here we arrived at the Odiyana Project site in Ruksin, Arunachal Pradesh. And we arrived here yesterday. So this is a site of the Odiyana Project. It's a beautiful place. And you can hear the construction, the work on the construction. It started about 3 years ago, before the pandemic. It's a coordination between Odiyana Institute in Santa Barbara and the Tibetan Aid Foundation in Ojai, California. So both the non-profit organizations coordinated together, had this discussion of building this project. Because COVID postponed a little bit, but however, overall, it started about a year ago, start the construction. Took a little time. However, we because of the local people either get paid or a lot of them actually volunteers to start the project, because the local people understand the clinic and the temple project going to benefit the local population, so they're so excited and to volunteer to working in the clinic. So this is the first time actually we visit the clinic to witness the progress and the completion of the clinic. And the next couple months, so we're gonna be finish the clinic, doing the touch-ups and final things, and then we're gonna equip the clinic, and then we're gonna staff the clinic, provide the service to the basic service to the local population. We're so excited to have this project completed. And it's going to be a great project. It's going to be a beneficial local population. So this is an amazing and a wonderful project. We are so excited. We're going to provide Tibetan medicine and Western medicine both. So this we are so excited to see the completion of this project. And the next phase is going to equip the clinic, staff the clinic, and then start to serve the community. So this is my dream, to have this project to be completed, and we are so excited to come here visit Ruksin, Arunachal Pradesh, and we're so excited that our project really it's going to be a fruition, going to be completed next couple months. So I'm going to extend my appreciation, thank to all the donors who contributed this project since 2 years ago, and now it's like you can see, every dollar you donated is going to directly come to this project, and 100% actually. There's no administrative cost, there's no expenses, but every dollar you donated is going to come to this clinic project in India, and that's we are so humbled, so thankful as you, as Americans who live there, who are my friends, who are my whatever the connection I have with you. And I want to show you today that every dollar you donated, it's actually delivered results, which is this beautiful clinic going to be serve the community, poor community in India. So I want to show this to you guys and show the appreciation, and also they're doing the work here. Actually, while they're working, so I'm gonna record this. So they put the frame here, fence around the clinic, and so wonderful. Yeah. Okay, I'm standing next to Tsirindoma, who's a nurse practitioner, who she works at the Delhi Apollo Hospital. So one of the largest hospital in Delhi. She's a nurse. So she came with us from Dharamsala, from her work, come here to visit this clinic in Arunachal Pradesh. So she's going to help us to figure out what type of basic equipment may need in this clinic, and we're going to put together a list. So what do we need, and then we're going to raise the fund for the clinic equipment. So here's a Tsirindoma who's a nurse. So, and if you're interested, you're welcome to donate to this Odiyana project. So this is one of the project, the clinic project, and the community hall with the temple project. Also, in the future, we're thinking to build another orphanage school project, which is our ultimate goal to accomplish here in Arunachal Pradesh. So here's my deal.